I know he's kind of. I put a wee quip there that you're going to sign for the enemy, but it was just a joke, honestly. But I listened to theory on him, and I was actually going to try and get a training course booked with you, but I don't know if you still do your training course.
So Ken's doing it, Ken Bone.
Ken, I know Ken. Well, we're no buddies of that, but with contact, you know.
The thing is, Brendan also is doing going golf British Gas. I love Brendan Vince. I've got so much time because he's so knowledgeable.
Aye, he's the kind of person that could start a fight in an empty house, though.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But I think if you're secure in your belief, you'll just that's it. You're bloody minded. I'm quite happy to listen to other thoughts.
Do you know what I love about it? So if someone says a comment, so for example, you turn up and say, "I love bucket tax,"
Aye.
But you say, "I love bucket tax," he'll say, "Give me some proof first, and give us the evidence, and I'll back you up." But unless you've got your proof,
you'll know.
Or crap or whatever, and that's that. I take that mindset on. When I hear people say people's crap, you give me some proof.
Aye.
And I'll believe you.
It's a bit about.
But I take that mindset, and it's just taught me so much through that. So, but no, do you want? What we'll do, we'll drop you an email regarding our training. I know it's a bit of a long.
Aye, no, I didn't mind. Aye, just man, it's fucking
it's warm, isn't it?
Fucking roasting. I had a few beers before I got on the train, and then on the train, and then when I got out of the train and into the hotel last night, I thought I'll just go for a wee sit down on the bed, and that was about 8:30. I woke up at like 12:30 with a hangover. I'm like, oh. So then between 12:30 and like 2 o'clock in the morning, I was just
Nobody slept more than I did. I didn't snore all night.
There's always one. There is always one.
Ian, how are you?
How are you doing, pal? Aye,
good.
not bad.
How's the elbow?
Elbow's no bad. It's the hip that's got arthritis in it. But I'm getting there. Hey, I was thinking I should have really bought one of those wee mobility scooters. I'd have been a wee bit of red faced, but it'd have been cracking for rolling about in here. Everyone gets out your way and everything.
Get a jump cues.
Perfect. So where do you get liquid in this place? Because I've got a mouth like a badger's bum just now.
Bar right over there.
Not quite sure I fancy the look at our pint just yet.
Walk down this aisle there, at the end on the right, there's coffee and all the drinks down there, right on the corner at the end there.
Perfect. What's the time? Have you any idea?
Yes.
Because I can barely get my hand out my pocket, let alone my phone.
10:30.
Plenty, right. I need to try and bump into the installer folk to say I'm here to play football. I'll be around. Most of the bathroom and kitchen stuff's no for me, but so most of this area I'll be floating around again. I'm just trying to get the initial once round to get my bearings on the place.
What heat pumps are you doing now then?
I've only done 2, but one of them was a Dakin. I've never fitted one of them all. I've been given the gear, but I'm no NCS, and I've never. I've no seen anyone that's ever came to me yet and said, here's 16 grand, go and fit me a heat pump and a nice heating system. You know what I mean? Without any grants, without anything, just straight. No one's going to do it. But
we're going to come out with a finance package soon, so we can give that all back.
I think as soon as it becomes easier. Let's be honest with you, it's a lot of guys my size and slightly bigger that need to be convinced to jump on board. It's alright, Octopus with their install squads are on roon, but we'll never reach 600,000 heat pumps a year going in by 2028. That's
it's more realistic being around half of that.
Aye.
And we've budgeted to do. We budgeted. We said in 5 years we reckon the market will be about 300,000.
Still a big market.
It's a huge market.
You can see, you can just see even a walk round here, the amount of heat pump association, green, people with green in their company names, the amount of them that seem to have popped up in the last few years.
Can you just take a photo of me and Ian, please?
Oh, yeah. Right, let me get that down, and let me get a wee bit deflation.
Yeah. Look at me.
Brilliant. Thanks for that, Ian.
I need to get the coat off. I'm fucking melting here.
You got shit in there, or?
Aye. Give me a second, I'll go grab a coffee and then I'll come back.
Alright.
And I did one of your other guys has got one of my freebies because I didn't just steal pens.
That's full of pens.
Well, it is, but it's got, what have we got here? We've got, actually here, here's the Chaps merchandise kit. If I can get it out. Fucking hell. There we go. Didn't say I'm no good to you. That's price, fridge maglet, beer, pens, wee torch. I'll be back. See yous. Stop for a few minutes. Right. There you go. Oh, fucking man. Okay. Is that a free pen?
Yeah, I hope so. Free
oh, thank you.
Fine.
Is that a free?
A bit of torch, yeah.
Oh man, that's actually quite nifty.
Got it all. Got the badge and the ID and everything. Yeah.
What's that on my side?
Oh, right. You were pestering me to get it done.
Oh, sorry about mix recycling. Hey.
Yeah.
Man, that went right above my head just looking at it.
Yeah.
How's it going, Ian? I'm Robin.
Aye, you're the man, you're my man, my Scottish man.
Aye, exactly. Nice,
How you
nice
doing?
to meet you. Very well, yeah.
How far you travelled today?
I came down on the train yesterday for Edinburgh, so
Right.
came down on the train and then had a few beers, had a hangover about midnight. Man, it was
Still sweat out.
I can feel it. I mean, it's cool in here, but the sweat's just fucking at me. How you getting on?
I only
Smoothly?
came up from London today because I've been down to visit my parents in London this weekend. And yeah, just a walk from here, from the train station to the hotel, I was sweating.
Aye, because
it's nice to be in a cool.
I'm at the Arden Hotel, so it's like a 10-minute walk away. I was starting to get all brisk and this isn't too bad. By the time I got here, it's like, oh man, I'm feeling every one of them 47 years on this planet, I tell you.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh.
So I hear you're keen on coming on the heat pump project that
I think I'd managed to get most of it sorted out with Scott and all the paperwork and stuff like that. So that's good. Always interested, you know. Fingers crossed, I suppose.
Yeah.
Where do you get water in here and stuff?
I haven't found that out, to be honest.
Made handcrafted coffee. That looks all right. Deli kitchen. I think there's a coffee place.
Free coffee.
Beer, I didn't quite fancy a beer. A free coffee I'll grab though. Right, see you later, pal. Can I pinch a couple of pens, please?
Oh, chap's eating here.
Yes.
Hello, Ian. I'm Dawn.
Yes.
How are you?
You want the truth?
Yeah.
Sweat's pissing at me. I feel as though I've just walked a marathon and I've literally came into the entrance, went down there and went here. I wish I'd have bought a bloody mobility scooter or something.
Are you just here for the day then?
No, I've got the morning as well, thankfully.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just going to try and hit as much as I can today.
Yeah.
And then hopefully tomorrow will be a wee bit easier.
Yeah.
I'll be about 2 stone lighter by the end of the day, I tell you. Oh.
I don't know how you wearing your coat in here.
I know, it's because I've not quite had the...
You need to strip
I know,
off.
I need to get... That's better now, by the way. Yeah, no coat. Oh. In fact, I think I'll even just take a sit down. I'm never going to get round this place in
It's massive, yeah.
2 days. See you, pal. because I've pinched some freebies. There you go. You get the full set of chaps merchandise in there. Okay. You can fling it in a bin of that. How you doing, pal? I'll catch you later.
Ian, I'm going to give you that. So you've got my name and that for training and stuff.
Yes, very good. Let me out. How you doing, pal? Yes.
Yeah.
Love the trousers, mate. You going fancy dress after this?
Hey, look at us there.
I like the top. I thought the top was a wee bit more noticeable than the trousers. The young laddie we work with called them painter's trousers. I was quite insulted. I thought they looked like something of Saturday Night Fever or that. I've just, no offence, but I've got to take a selfie with.
Oh, with Kimbo.
Yes, they've been a bit generous to him on the height, I see.
That's what I said. Going like this.
I've been slightly enlarged. Been needing that for a long time.
I need a water.
Yeah, it's a bit like that.
Oh, mind you, it feels better now that I've got the coat off me.
Yeah.
Right enough.
There's some HP application forms in there for food and water.
Cool.
Yeah.
So how are you getting on?
I'm good, mate. Thank you very much.
Health
Good
back.
to see you again. You haven't seen you for ages, have I?
Wait, nah, I know.
I haven't been able to get to Scotland this year.
I know.
It's just been too much. I can't drive 8 hours, mate, after a day's work.
I know that, pal. It's
But I am maybe, look, we're trying to find a way to... So, we're looking at ATAG.
Aye.
One day, rather than two, and we're going to do...
Move closer. Thank you.
This is my most important person. Yeah, she's the lady that looks after me now.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
This is Dawn, this is Ian.
Yes.
Look.
Oh, right.
Got Ian on.
The whole kit, aye.
I've got
Ian on the
all of it,
badge.
look.
I've not even put. Oh no, I am back
what's that
recording.
for
I'm recording the whole thing. Oops.
Oh, right.
I didn't take the
Your,
bit.
what do you call it? Your TikTok things are quite good.
Aye,
Oh,
just
I'll
well,
listen-
I'm
I'll look through it.
going to upload it all to YouTube, so people that haven't been can actually see what it's all about.
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
No, that I'll probably get about 2 views out of 30 million folk, like, but
Of course, anything is it to do it? You never know.
I better get going. I've got to try and find the installer crew because I'm signed up to do this penalty shootout thing for the Euros with them.
Bit over that now, mate, isn't it?
Oh,
Sorry.
I'm alright. It doesn't bother me.
No, it's really sad, mate.
Watching Scotland is one of the least enjoyable things on the
No,
planet.
you haven't been an English supporter,
No, you've got at least some talent. I'd rather have my teeth pulled out with spoons than watch Scotland play football.
It's going to be like that tonight. It's tonight, isn't it? England
Yeah,
match.
it is. 8 o'clock.
I feel like just...
8 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
Kimbot, have you got your own bot in the warmer bit now?
The bot's coming. Yeah.
Is
It's on its way next year.
Its way.
Yeah.
I will be 360. If you reckon that's big, you wait until you see the bot version. Yeah.
Big mechanical arms and everything. I had a meeting with Alec.
Oh, yeah.
And it was interesting. I didn't actually ken he stayed about 10 minutes from here, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So it was nice to actually have a chat to him. You can, as I said, you can hear the brain firing behind the eyes. It's always whizzing. I'm like, I'm not that intelligent, but hey, it's nice to see it all coming together.
Yeah.
Right.
It's difficult keeping up sometimes.
Aye, I can imagine.
There are times that I just resort to saying I'm just a stupid plumber.
I know, you're the genius. Right, okay, I'll be back.
Sorry?
Right. Can I blag a couple of freebies?
Of course you can.
I'll swap you freebies for freebies.
So that means.
We pen. I would, but I've already got about 6 bags inside my bag already. I'll just have bags and bags soon. Oh, sorry, pal. Right, into there. Right.
What they're doing, they're controlling.
This place is huge. What?
That's not quite too bad. Self-contained, waterproof, no silk, no.
Haven't seen any couple of toys yet. Can I pinch a couple of pens as well?
Yep.
Thank you. Sorry, pal.